So hello everyone, welcome to URPD Education. So today I am here with one more update coming for those engineering graduate who are having a very huge number of years experience in the industries and in the diverse industries, and who are a experienced seasoned engineer in the diverse industries. So this opportunity is not mostly for the fresher. They are asking for experienced in many of the position. Yes, there might be 1 and 2 level position where they are asking the fresher candidate. So this position is coming from the Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited, a subsidiary of the NBCC India Limited. So they are going to recruit, you can see here, manager civil, deputy manager civil, assistant manager civil, manager electrical, manager finance, deputy manager finance, manager HRM, deputy manager, manager secretary. And for each position they are asking minimum post qualification experience, and this is the age limit, and this is the scale of the payment you will be getting, and these are the distribution of the number of the seats. So if you believe you belong to any of this category and you have some good years of experiences in the required industry, so what is the required experience, that also I will be telling, then don't miss to fill this application form. This is one of the good opportunity to work the PSUs. Now going ahead, they have asked the opening date for the submission will be 23rd of the December. It means it's already started, and last date is 31st of the January. And date of the written test or computer based test, they haven't yet decided. They will be notifying you after the application process is closed. So the application window will be active from 23rd of December, which is already initiated, and it will go up to 31st of the January. So don't miss the deadline. Now you can see here they had clearly mentioned for manager civil you must have a degree in the civil engineering with minimum of 55% marks, and this is basically the experience they are asking. You can read this. This PDF will be there in the comment section, or it will be pinned in the description, or else you can visit the official website. There you can find in the career section or latest job openings and updates section, you will find the detail and see. If you belong to this category, you are working in this area exactly, then you are a right fit, you are a best fit for this position. Don't miss to fill this application. Now similarly for each kind of position they had mentioned the required experience. They had also mentioned the how many years experience is required. Okay, so you can drag down and you can recapitulate and you can brief the entire structure like this. It's mentioned here properly. Similarly for the manager electrical, similarly for the manager finance, similarly for the deputy manager, similarly for the manager HRM, similarly for the deputy manager HRM, similarly manager law, similarly deputy manager law, similarly company secretary, right? So these all positions are mentioned here. And what are the discipline? See, for civil you must be either from the civil or structure, and structural you all are eligible. Not eligible branches it's mentioned here. And electrical you must be either from the electrical, either from the electrical electronics, or either from the electrical and instrumentation. So if you're coming from these branches, then all the positions which are mentioned with the tag electrical, then you are eligible to apply for those positions. It means they have allowed also the subsidiary or allied branches of the core engineering domain, whether it's civil or whether it's electrical. So rest everything is mentioned here. Work experience I told you people, and what is the age limit, that all I have told you people, right? And upper age limit I told you people, for manager it's E3 level, the highest level 37, deputy manager E2 level 33, assistant manager E1 level 30 years, right? So these are the age limit. So rest information, not much required information. So I don't think there is any information they had mentioned. Okay, so this is the requirement, what all they required, and this is the basically written test they are going to conduct. In written test it will be paper 1 discipline core paper, number of questions will be 50 and marks will be 100. 120 minutes for all the tests together. Additional time for candidate with disability as per the government guidelines will be allowed. So there will be second paper, that will be general aptitude paper. It will contain 20 questions from numerical ability, 20 from English, 20 from reasoning, 10 from the general knowledge, and you can see the marks are distributed also. So in one go they are going to conduct paper which have the two sections, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 be discipline or your core. If you're from the electrical, it will be consisting of the question from the electrical. If you're from the civil, it will be consisting question from the civil. Paper 2 will be common for all with GK, reasoning, aptitude and English, right? So this is the structure of the paper. And you can see here written examination session, one session language for the written test bilingual, Hindi as well as English में question होंगे, type of question objective होगा, very important point, there is no negative marking. So yet they haven't decided anything related to the date of the exam. It's clearly mentioned once you fill the form they will notify you very soon. It's clearly mentioned here to be notified in the website. So guys, if you belong any of these category and you hold this much amount of experience in the required domains which is prescribed below in this PDF, as I've told you people for the civil and electrical engineering, then don't miss to fill the application form for this Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited. So we wish you all the best, and any kind of assistance required, feel free to comment in the section down in the video. Thank you.